Cheers! Welcome to the Wasatch Community Gardens Green Phoenix Farm. I'm James Loomis, the farm director, and here at our 1.5-acre urban farm, we work hard leveraging the power of regenerative agriculture to serve both people and planet. We have two key programs here at the farm. The first is our Green Team, where we provide paying jobs for women experiencing homelessness and the opportunity for them to rediscover their sense of personal power and rebuild their lives. We also work with single mothers living in poverty with our Seeds of Success program.
I'm Susie Marvin and I'm the Seeds of Success program director. Our program focuses on providing women, single mothers specifically, with the opportunity to grow their own food while growing a new career. We believe here at the farm that when given the right support, both plants and people thrive.
Regenerative agriculture is the key. Each and every day, we're helping people rebuild their lives, breaking the cycle of poverty, providing opportunities for volunteers, community service, education, and internships. We're creating beauty, helping individuals reclaim their sense of power, restore their mojo, feel connected to themselves, the planet, and each other. We're building soil. We're generating all of our power from the sun. We're feeding the community. We're producing thousands of vegetable starts to help those in the community grow their own garden. We practice regenerative agriculture, actively restoring the ecology of an urban lot. We're cleaning water. We're producing seed. We're generating obscene amounts of top-shelf motherfucking compost. There's no way we could accomplish the work that we do here at the Green Phoenix Farm without the many funders, donors, community members, and partners that support Wasatch Community Gardens. I'd like to give a special thanks to Advantage Services, the Salt Lake RDA, and you as a viewer for taking the time to kick it with us. Cheers.